All right. Hello, my name is Chris Pounds, and I'll be presenting to you our focus prototype user interface that is at a rough out level. What will be shown is the fourth iteration of this concept that evolved from feedback from team members. Shown here on this slide is an example of user roles that can also be customized with permissions that would be set by an administrator. This approach ensures the level of data access is appropriate and fits your business security compliance protocols. Once an administrator has set your role and permissions, you are now ready to log into the system. Here you'll be shown your role and prompted to sign in one of two ways. One, utilize a standard password that meets your business protocols, or two, use a smart badge device with an appropriate PIN. This option allows for an extra layer of security to ensure those that should not be accessing data are not able to do so. All right, now that you have been able to log in and the first time logging in the software, you're now ready to get started. So let's click Get Started. All right. Now you'll need to, for the first time, you will need to associate your factory assets and associated sensors, and this can be done one of two ways. One, provided that you have a factory layout as shown, and it has the associated data characteristics required, you can simply select your layout. Or two, you can utilize a factory asset list as shown. Now that your initial setup is complete, you're taken to your home page. So up here in the left-hand corner, upper left-hand corner, you will get a quick help. You will get a backup icon. This will let you know the status of your last backup of data, the outcome of the last backup, and the next scheduled backup. This is useful to let you know that your IT infrastructure is ensuring data compliance is occurring, such as recording data that is relevant for inspection that can be audited at a later time. Next, you'll see your training compliance icon here. This is to let you know whether or not if you are meeting your business training requirements. Green would mean obviously that you are up to date with all your training. Yellow, your training is due soon, and red, that training is absolutely positively due right now. So you can also click on this icon and it would take you to another display to show you the training that is coming due or that is due. Next, over here on the right, you will find an icon for yourself. And this will present a pop-down and it will let you know the profile that you're currently using, the mode. We have two modes here. One is interactive display, which is more of a visual factory type layout, and two, a data display, which is more of just a simple, quick and type and enable on type display of data. So you very quickly look at things and move on. Then notification of settings, help, and sign out. And then all of these icons here are just quick ways to take you to certain views. So factory view would give you everything, and then any one of these would take you to a subset of that factory view, such as like security, knowledge, process optimization, maintenance, and show you the relevant KPIs. Next, here we see what we're terming as the interactive visual of the factory view. Note the icons on the top left and top right here are the same as the last view. So if you wanted to change from an interactive visual, you could go to the data. You could simply click on this and select change your mode. In the factory layout itself, you'll see quick visual status for each asset indicated by these icons. These statuses will update to show the relevant status should you use a filter here on the left, such as process optimization, and these would update to show the status based off the KPIs associated with process optimization and that asset. Additionally, you can, for any one of these filters that is selected, you can add a filter of knowledge here, and it will give you relevant insights to those assets based off the KPIs that you're looking at. And also another note here is for any of these main filters here, if you will, there is a sub filter, and you can change the view and take a look at what is currently live, what happened last week, or any other custom interval like month, year, etc. Here is a view showing that maintenance has been selected, so you're only seeing just maintenance. So the assets shown here will have, again, the quick status visualization, and you can click on these and it will give a drop down or pop up a secondary sub window here to show you the asset ID, the description of that asset, such as vertical saw. It will give you your machine downtime, rate, percentage plan maintenance. And additionally, if you had other KPIs associated with this that fell into the realm of maintenance, you would see those here as well. Next, this slide here is actually changing our view to be just the data display type view. Of note here is the ease in which you can add or remove a metric. So here you could easily, quickly always add a metric and build a metric, or build a extra display. And then here you can easily remove the data just by simply clicking X here and delete that. And then additionally, a conditional formatting can be applied as such as an example here. You can set the colors of these tiles based off if it meets whatever parameters you have. And in this example, for energy cost, it would be green if if your energy cost was less than $2. It would turn to yellow if it was greater than or equal to $2.01 and up to $3. And then if you exceeded $3, it would turn red. It's all very customizable, very easy to do. And that's it.